Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making the beloved Thai dish Pad Thai. A perfect balance of flavors. It's a dish you can easily recreate at home. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces rice noodles, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 egg, 1 cup bean sprouts, 1 green onion chopped, 1/4 cup roasted peanuts crushed, lime wedges for serving. For the sauce, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of chili powder, optional. Start by soaking the rice noodles in warm water for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're soft. Drain and set aside. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Push the garlic to one side and crack in the egg. Scramble it gently until just set. Now add the drained noodles to the pan. Pour in your prepared sauce, mixing everything together until the noodles are well coated and heated through. Stir in the bean sprouts and chopped green onions. Cook for another minute, just until they're tender, yet still crisp. Time to plate. Serve your Pad Thai hot, garnished with crushed peanuts and lime wedges for that extra zing. And there you have it, delicious homemade Pad Thai. Dive in and enjoy the explosion of flavors. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!